enough to analyze and come up with a very great trade idea, or copy a trade idea into your MetaTrader. It is important you know how to manage your trades and how to take advantage of the app to manage your trade. My name is Radio, and this is BioBridge once again. BioBridge is a community of traders where you learn how to trade, where you get free trade ideas and network with other traders, both new and experienced traders. In this video, I'll be showing you how to move your stop loss to entry, which also means breaking even. Let's say you have a trade running, or you get a trade idea from our channel or any other place, and you were told the position has moved into profit, move stop loss to entry to break even, or break even. When you hear this term, it simply means now whatever trade you are looking at or the person is referring to in this situation, you need to edit that trade, change the stop loss from wherever the stop loss is, which is of course at this point far from where price is. Now what you need to do is edit that trade, change the stop loss to your entry price or a little into profit to make sure even if that trade reverses, you will be taken out from where you enter the trade. And by doing this, you are no more in the negative. This means no matter what the outcome of this trade is, the worst that can happen is you'll be taken out of that trade at entry. So you walk away without losing any of your money. Without taking much of your time, let me just simply show you what you need to do to break even or move your stop loss into entry. Click on the trade you want to modify. This will pop up, or you can simply slide to the left, then click on the pencil icon. This will bring you to where you modify your trade. So for us to know the right place to put our stop loss right now, we need to know the exact price we entered the trade. Now I'll go back, then this is it. On USD JPY, you can see the trade started from 132.247. This was where we entered into the trade, and right now you can see the price is 131.348. This is a sell trade, and that automatically shows and says we are in profit. So what you need to do now is edit the stop loss to 132.24 or a little bit lower, as it's a sell trade. If it was a buy trade, then we edit the price a little bit higher, our entry price. Now we have 1.247. It depends on how tight and how secure you want your trade to be right now. If you want to keep some of the trade, you can leave your trade 5 pips, 10 pips, or whatever you decide in profit. Edit it into 5 pips, 10 pips into profit, or you can simply just edit it into slight profit of a few pips or pipettes. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to edit right now. I'll click on modify position, so I will change my stop loss to somewhere around 132.240. Sometimes when you close partial profits, then you move your stop loss into entry. By closing partial profit, you've saved some of your profits, you've kept some for yourself. Now you want to walk away, or you are going out, or you need to step out of your office or your house, or you can't really check your phone anymore for this trade, or you just want to be secured. Now you click on modify position and change it. So let's go ahead and do this. 132.240. Now I'll change the stop loss to 132.240. Modify, and that is it. Right now you can see my stop loss is now 132.240. Simple as ABC. Now if this price decides to go back into a buy and no longer sell, the moment price gets to 132.240, this trade will be taken out. That is how you move your stop loss to entry or into profit. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.